There are several situations that look the same but are different. Just like water and gin, they all look the same. Unless you taste it, you wouldn't know the difference. So in life, if you face situations that look the same, be able and be truthful enough to say it as it is. Don't say it looks the same and treat it the same. Be truthful enough to say things as it is. So henceforth, as you are being renamed in the Asante traditional way, we are trying to instill the truthfulness that we instill in our infants into you today. So that's basically what we did. You can resume your seats. So you will speak after me. When I say I, you say I and we listen you on it. So, okay, so go ahead. If I see water, I'll say it's water. For the second time, if I see water, I'll say it's water. And then the third time and the last time that we take all what's left in the glass.